Okay, I am back with the Magic Chef Dehumidifier. I was going to post a video first of this being disassembled, which I did, but apparently we have a new problem developed with it. Right now you can hear it running fine, but within a minute or two the compressor will shut off and it'll turn back on in a minute or two, and then it keeps doing that. I have no clue what's wrong with it. I'd like to know if there's any, reasons why I could be doing this. But here, I'll let you listen. The pressure's down there. We're on the back. Not very much water production, but you'll hear it stop making the noise pretty soon, the hissing. I'm not touching it. The freon will stop flowing. Pressure stopped. Just a fan blowing ice cold air across the evaporator. That's it, just a fan running. It does this every couple minutes, no matter how high or low I set it. And it's gotta wait for the compressor to, this protection thing to restart it. It has some sort of protection thing in there, so if you shut the compressor off, it won't turn back on for another couple minutes. I recall this happening once before, but it only did it once for a few minutes, and it started working fine after that. But now it's gotten to do it every 2 minutes. Just keep listening, it'll come right back on. Cold air coming out. My infrared thermometer. Compressor turned back on. Starting to heat up. The evaporator coil is beginning to cool down. .41 degrees. Seems like it's cooling fine. It was working just earlier today. Off it goes. Let that sucker warm up. How well do you think this thing's gonna dehumidify if the compressor keeps shutting off every couple minutes? Every minute or a couple minutes, whatever it is. So they got 50. It's supposed to be like low 40s, and tell you what, it was just working fine until I pulled it out the other day. It was working fine. Now it's, I have no clue. Because from the wire inside, I don't know. But whatever the case, now we're getting freezing cold air blowing on the front. It's a little cooler than 70. So yeah, that's the problem with this here. I'm kind of I don't know what's going on here, because I wouldn't want to lose this dehumidifier due to a problem like this. It's gonna keep doing it every. I know it's not good for the compressor either. Just so I should upload this video because, you know, it's not doing its thing. It's supposed to be working without shutting the compressor off, but now all of a sudden it's shutting the compressor off. Doesn't matter where I turn it. No point in turning it off because it turns off anyways by itself. And the humidity in my room is going to stay 70%, or whatever it is, 68, because this thing's not dropping it any lower. And I don't want to really want to get a new one because of the crap compressors and coils they got in them now. This one was well built. Anyways, that's the problem. Stop the video here. Someone please try to help me on this. Get back to me. Got to figure out this problem, or I don't know if it could be low on freon. I don't think it is though. I think it's something to do with the wiring or something. Something to do with this, or possibly even this silly light over here. I don't know. I was messing with the wires with it when I was trying to take the cover off, but it doesn't seem to do anything. So, alright. Anyways, try to get back to me in this, someone, and yep. Alright, over and out.